Merry Christmas! Happy holidays! Can you believe that we actually got a white Christmas today? Hi Bixby, what date is it today?
First, use your fingerprints to unlock the device.
Okay.
Today is Monday, December 25th.
Yeah, so 25th of December and it snowed in the morning, so definitely a very fresh video out today. And then I went out to make a snowman, but with the time lapse I realized I started way too close to the camera first and then it completely lost the focus. And there was a little pigeon hanging out with me. I felt like the pigeon lady in Home Alone. And another time lapse to finish up my snowman. And I double click the screen for active track the snowman. I made a little snowman. I think it's been a while since I actually made any snowman whatsoever, and here it is. It's a little bit hard because right now the temperature is not the coldest. Today is around like 0 degrees or 1 degrees, actually just above the freezing temperature. But enough to get the snow that we got this morning. Today I'm just making a very little video first to wish you guys a happy holidays wherever you guys are. Enjoy your time with your family, your loved ones, and thank you so much for all the supports that you have shown me for Young 360 channel. Really appreciate it. And since I'm a tech review YouTuber, I wanted to show you that vlogging at 0 degrees, and right now it's actually beginning to snow again during the day, during the Christmas day. And you guys know that DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the operating temperature is from 0 degrees all the way to 40 degrees, I believe. So at 0 degrees like today, yes, the battery is still going very strong. I've done some time lapses and shooting some wintry scenery and it's working totally fine. And I do have that additional battery on Pocket 3. So I guess if I want to, I can go on and on for a day vlogging a lovely snow day at freezing temperature. But if you guys want to know if Pocket 3 works in a super duper crazy cold day, then do let me know in the comments down below. Then I will get out there and hopefully shoot a very cold day, or hopefully there will be a cold day in January as well. So thank you again. Wish you guys have a wonderful end of the year, nice closure and a fresh start for 2024, and I'll be back with great videos in 2024. So see you.